This one. Riot shield! Ah.
He's paying the price, Meow.
Thank you.
He's not up here. Guess
I could hear them.
he's down below.
Yeah, kill that guy. Let me watch it. He's shooting at me. Oh, I got... Here. His gun really sticks to me, so be careful. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, kick him. Yeah.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
Probably trying to go to the...
Behind, he dropped in behind us in the building that we just left.
Oh. I thought he went up.
Well, stuck it on his butt. Take that.
Oh, you're there. Okay, I'll land there. It's best if like together. They will keep coming back.
Alright, enough chirping out of you.
One's behind you, one's behind you.
Oh, kill him! Oh my goodness!
Keep your dirty paws off of her. Whatever. It was worth it. It was worth it.
What the fuck?
Got you. I got you.
Him?
Yeah. He's left
What
of us,
color?
below
What
us.
color?
Left
Is it
below.
the purple?
I don't know. He tripped my suppression mine that was in this building. I'm on top of.
There's a guardian inside this house. Probably inside.
I'm getting stitched up.
Nice. First, let's see. Let me watch.
Next time, asshole.
It's not the purple that I was saying. This is not